today. First, put the flour in the mixing bowl.
All.
Finish it.
Yes.
Enough.
All.
And then pour the milk.
Okay, pour it. Slowly.
All.
Yes,
Finish
all
it.
of it.
Finish. Next, 1 egg.
Okay.
And then mix well. And mix some more. He's turning around. So funny.
It's not funny.
Now it's ready to cook.
And
Grease the pan.
enough.
Uh,
Yes, grease it. So the pancake won't stick on it.
To cook the pancake butter in
Onto the pan.
onto the pan.
Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Let it cook first.
And then
And then
turn
turn
to cook the other side.
the other side.
Whee!
The other side.
Okay,
It's
wait
like
for
a
it.
pancake.
It's a pancake.
I cooked 6 pancakes. It's ready to eat. Yummy!